Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if you are facing this error. This PC doesn't meet the Windows 11 system's requirement. So guys, to fix this error, I'm going to show you the very easy process. So let's get started. So guys, for that you have to simply download the Windows 11 ISO file. So simply close this. So guys, to download Windows 11 ISO file, simply open Google Chrome. So simply type in search bar Windows 11 ISO file. Simply click on first link. So guys, there you can see this page. So after that you can see some option. Windows 11 installation assistant, create Windows 11 installation media, download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So guys, here we need this option, download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So in this option you can see the option of select download. So simply click on it and select here Windows 11 multi edition ISO. And after that simply click on download. Whether you can see written select the product language. So below that you can see written you will need to choose the same language when you install Windows. To see what language you are currently using, go to time and language in PC settings or region in control panel. So make sure you are select correct language. So I'm going to select English. After that simply click on confirm. So guys, here you can see written links validate for 24 hours from time of creation. Links expires at this date. So after that you can see the option of Windows 11 64-bit download. So simply click on it and here you can see your setup starts downloading. So guys, this takes lots of time to download. So after it completes your download, install your setup and your Windows 11 will be installed. And you no need to download from updates. You can easily download Windows by following this process. So guys, here you can see we have fixed the error. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So you can also fix this error by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.